Remote driving system activated.
Wait! Which side of the road is it?
For God's sake, just drive.
Okay, calm down. Woo! Let's go!
What's the music on? What do you think this is, a funeral?
Which one is he in now?
Let's split up!
They're trying to lose us. We'll take the right. We'll take the other two. I see a shortcut. I'm not going to make it.
Keep going.
Hey, what was that?
Don't worry about it. You're doing great.
Guns. So primitive.
It's a vibranium car, you idiots! The bullets won't penetrate!
What are you doing?
Just drive.
Hey, look at your suit. You've been taking bullets, charging it up with kinetic energy.
Pull around the truck. Ready, go!
Show off. There he is. Hold tight.
Right, let's have some fun.
Hop in. Put that spear in the trunk.
Faster, Shuri.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Take a right, take a right!
No! Ah! Brother!
Did you think we would forget? Look at me, murderer. Where did you get this weapon?
You savages didn't deserve it. Oh, mercy! King! Mercy!
Every breath you take is mercy from me.
Hi, kumkani. Ilizwe lijongile.
Come on, guys. Let's go, huh?